everything and so on and so far. Kasama natin si Maxi. Sabog si Snow. So without further ado, let's start doing our makeup because so let's start because you have a long way to go. So first we have to put some moisturizer. Before anything else, we have to do moisturizer first.
Yeah. Luto. Luto. Where's my fucking phone? Where's my phone?
Your phone is here.
Huh?
Is here. Australiana na alaga nyo, lagot kayo, bala kayo dyan.
Yeah.
Ay ka na sis, mag-makeup ka na.
Tapos na ako. Hmm? Uy, gago ka, nakikita ako.
Okay lang yan. Hindi ka naman sadya. Oh.
Mas ganyan tayo sa Australia.
May sasali 3 pesos dito sa Australia, be. Sa Australia tayo dapat Australian price.
become my addiction.
Amin na niya yung blue mo. Yung color blue mo.
Yes, Australia tayo!
Bakla! At saya lang kasi never in our life na ma-imagine namin na makakalipad kami.
Okay, lagi natin ito na-imagine.
Yeah, pero hindi natin na-expect na mangyayari talaga siya. Magkakatotoo siya.
God.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You never feel.
Go again. This time.
Yeah. Don't feel right.
La! What the fuck are you trying
Oh my
to
god! Done in our eyes. Parang bumabagal yung internet.
Yeah.
Bumababa yung viewers ko eh. We're too young to die.
Gago, hindi yung ganyan.
Iba pala yung kinakanta ko. Did it all falls down. We're in this
Ta-da!
Naka-copyright. Okay lang yan. Paano nyo nasabing copyrighted ako? Pero ano pa kayo sa Instagram? You guys are so judgmental. My God. My love. How can you say that it's copyrighted? Can you please tell me why? I will be the same man. I will love you
Till they take my heart
away. I'm here to stay. I will love you. Baka nasa shadow pa lang talaga. Papa.
Favorite ko yun.
Fairness, GB song mo nga.
Yung ganda na kasi yung total kang Hey now, we're listening. Listening. Tawag ko yun.
I'm here. Favorite song na ni Maxi nga, in fairness naman. But parang hindi naman yung favorite song mo. Isa lang siya sa mga favorite mo. Pero hindi naman siya yung pinaka. Siya ba yung pinaka? Oh. Habang nahin. Maglagay na tayo ng setting spray agad ngayon pa lang para wala kasi aray, hindi na makadilat yung girl.
Sige, ako muna dito sa kanila. Let's go. Hi! Hello, nakakubad ako. So, we're here at Australia. Perth. Perth, big sack. How are you guys doing? We're doing our makeup now. Because 6 ang meet and greet and we are 3 hours advance, I believe. I miss you guys. It's time to try defying gravity. Oh, editors ko yan. No time difference sa Perth to PH. Yeah. Ito nga. Sa ano pala yun? Sa Melbourne.
And I'm back. Get out.
Sorry guys.
Get out because this is my fans. This is my everything. I wanna watch it. You wanna watch me, nene? Yeah. Actually, I just miss doing live. That's why I'm doing this right now, right here, right now in Australia, you know. Look at our view. If you guys gotta see our view, it's fucking amazing. It's fucking giving. Me as Angel Galang, I live. Like, literally, I live. Sige, pakita natin yung view natin sa kanila.
It's giving Ayala realness. Ayala realness. Many buildings. No traffic.
No pollution.
No
Whoa! Where's it quiet, my girl? You seem so quiet, my girl. Hindi sila ganun magsalita dito. Posh lang sila. Taki sila. Bet ko gaga mga ano nila, mga accent nila. And I thought that the first time that I stepped my feet in the top of this, you know, in this country, I thought that oh my God!
I never thought.
I never thought. Forget about my thought. I'm gonna thought it in my messenger. No, but honestly, there's no basher here. There's no discrimination when it comes for you to say something, right? They just gonna let you, and I love it. The people here is understanding me. They understand Angel. I always ask the people like kanina earlier. I buy some laundry for my kids' better number here, and then I'm speaking so loud. And I'm asking her that, like I tell her a lot about what I want. And then she asked me. I asked her that, you know what I mean, and then, literally she know what I mean. So Ale, oh my God, I forgot to ask her name. Tsaka bongga dito, day. Maaliw kayo, day. Scene. Para syempre, uwi pa rin tayo sa Pilipinas dahil totoo ang mas masaya ang tao sa Pilipinas. Amazing lang yung lugar. Pero hindi sila kasing saya ng mga Pinoy. You know what I mean? Si Maxing ang yung mag-English eh. And me as well. Maganda lang yung ano nila dito kasi wala pala silang presidente, no? So, walang kura. My God. People of the Philippines, nagkakalaglagan pa nga sila.
Baka yung no?
Wala sila presidente pala dito. Queen lang. And their queen has arrived. Queen Maxi of the season 3. Like her! Like her!
Kaya ganyan.
Hindi, pero casual lang sila talaga. Wala na, pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, ano na naman ako, kanal na naman ako, kanal words na naman ako.
It's 4:44. So I believe na hindi naman, walang time different.
Same.
Yeah, it's same.
Same tayo ng time sa Pinas ngayon. Be, live ko to. Tsaka kung gusto mo makita si Maxi, huwag mo akong uutusan. Bubulihin mo ko?
Bakit daw?
Ha?
Hindi ka naman galit dyan. Why are you getting angry?
I'm not getting angry, girl. Hindi ako galit. Bompaling ko pa yan.
Almost done. Almost. Almost over.
Uy, gusto ko ng mga Ariana Grande song, bana.
Okay. Your request is my command.
Yung version niya ng Popular. Saan naman dyan? Alam niya, pinagsisiyang ko tuloy na binigay ko kay Vix yung role na yun. Ay, nag-live shit! Ikaw na.
Hindi ko alam. Pag-aaralan pa natin. Mga...
Ang galing na Ariana dyan. Ang galing na Ariana Grande dyan.
G-Bang!
Sobra.
And suck a dick with a big cock idols. Lord.
Nalala ko sa Over before, ginagawa niya Brigiding at saka ni
MC.
MC Black, Marie Christina.